is Sravan here from Navars Space Labs. We are India's premier and leading space education company. We set up this fascinating astronomy and space labs to schools, which includes all this model rocketry, satellites, rovers, gliders, and all Chandrayaan thing what you see here is built by us, where we bring this innovative space lab at school level. We'll take you through these fascinating rockets. You can see the rocket, live functioning rocket here, which includes all this humidity, light intensity, temperature, atmospheric pressure. All this will be made by children from the scratch. So we'll take you through all these rockets.